After years of refinement and evolution, a new chapter begins for the Nissan 370Z, introducing the full titanium dual Type D exhaust. Standing beside the legendary single Type R, the icon that defined lightweight performance, the 370Z now offers two titanium masterpieces to choose from. The legendary single Type R, the art of single, a symbol of purity, response, and ultimate lightness. Now, the single Type R and the dual Type D, two full titanium exhausts that drive the future of the 370Z.